Hi there. If you haven't tried khatte meethe kaddu with kachori, then it's a shame. This popular breakfast dish is from UP. Watch my detailed recipe of kaddu and moong dal kachori. I'm sure that you'll be able to make it easily. Did you subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for the latest updates? I'm using moong dal or green lentil to make the filling. Soak a cup of moong dal in water for at least an hour. Transfer it into a mixer jar. Drain most of the water. Add in a teaspoon of grated ginger, 1 green chili. I have de-seeded the chili, but you can add it whole. A tablespoon of fennel seed or saunf. Grind it to a fine paste. So this is how it should be. To cook the filling, use a broad pan with a thick bottom, or you could use a non-stick pan like me. Heat 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil. Temper it with a large pinch of hing or asafoetida. Once it releases its aroma, add in the moong paste. Keep the heat low. Cook this on low heat till it becomes a stiff paste. Once it is thickened slightly, add in about 3/4 teaspoon of coriander powder, 3/4 teaspoon cumin powder, jeera, and some haldi. Season it with salt, a teaspoon of sugar, that looks done. It hardly took about 5 to 7 minutes. So I'll just turn off the heat and let it cool down completely. To make the dough, I'm using 1 cup of whole wheat flour or atta and 1 cup of all-purpose flour, maida. I'll also add in 2 tablespoons of semolina or suji, about half a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Mix it up. It's resembling wet sand now, and this is when I'll stop and start kneading. Add in water little at a time. The dough should not be too soft. It should be a smooth dough but not soft. I just knead it till it's nice and smooth. Cover it and let it rest for 15 minutes at least. For the sabzi or the vegetable, I'm using kaddu or pumpkin that I'll cut into smaller pieces. I'll leave the skin on. I'll also add in a medium-sized potato cut into cubes. Heat 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and I'll add in pachforan. So that's a mix of 5 spices, as you can see: fennel seed, fenugreek seed, onion seed, mustard seed, and cumin seed. Add in the chopped vegetables. So just cook them for a couple of minutes on medium heat. I forgot to add the hing or asafoetida, so I'll just add it in now, a pinch of it. Season it with salt. Have you subscribed to my channel already? Cover and cook for about 3 minutes on low heat. Time to check on it. The vegetables are partially cooked and they have released some water as well. A teaspoon of grated ginger, a teaspoon of coriander powder, dhania, half a teaspoon of cumin, jeera, 1/3 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, green chilies according to taste. Once it starts to release the oil, see it's separating. Add in about a cup of water. Bring this to a boil. Give it a mix. Cover and cook on medium heat till the vegetables are almost done. Let's get back to the dough. Knead it lightly and divide it into equal portions. So I got 12 equal portions from the dough. So I'll just shape each into the perfect round. Cover them and keep them aside. Let's check on the vegetables a final time. They are almost done. Added a bit of water. Jaggery or gur, about a tablespoon of grated. I had soaked a small ball of tamarind in water, and I'll just take out the pulp and add it into the pan. So the next step would be to wait for the jaggery or gur to dissolve, and then check the taste and add in more of the gur or the tamarind as required by you. Using a dough ball as my reference, I'll make 12 balls from the filling. That will be slightly smaller than the dough ball. I think that's good. I'll put this back and make the rest of them. So I got 12 and some left over. I would guess that you could get another 4 to 5 from this leftover filling. So I adjusted the seasoning and added in a bit more of the tamarind pulp. And I'll just crush the veggies slightly. And the khatte meethe kaddu ki sabji is ready. Turn off the heat. Time to stuff the dough balls with the filling. Just shape the dough balls into a katori or a small bowl. So I am doing 4 at a time. Place a filling ball and just cover it up by stretching the dough with your thumb, and then roll it back into a perfect ball. Place a filling, stretch to cover, pinch to seal, roll back. So I am going to roll them out with the help of a bit of oil. But before rolling them out, make sure to press and thin down the edge. And then just press it with your hand. Roll it out with even pressure. And you can actually feel that the filling inside is moving and spreading out. I'll leave it at that. Similarly, roll out the rest of them. So here's a small tip. For making stuffed puris or parathas, make sure that your dough and the filling have the same consistency. That way, you'll never get a tear. Fry the kachoris in medium hot oil. If you like the recipe, share it with your friends and write your feedback in the comments. Till they puff up, flip over Drain the oil. Fry the rest of them. Serve the moong dal kachori with the khatte meethe kaddu, some pickle on the side and dahi. Enjoy!